Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Muhammad Junaid Hashmi and I am the consultant dental surgeon in Lumino Dental Care and Solutions. Our main priority and our main aim is to treat the patients in a more precise manner, in a more detailed manner. हमारे पास एक team of doctors है available which are expertise in different specialities. My personal specialty is community dental public health, in which we deal the preventive portion of the dentistry, as well as we also deal with all the terminologies and epidemiological methods and studies, along with the treatment needs and the treatment options. Here you can find certain criteria and certain materials through which you can learn a lot of things. Normally, patients come up to us with a lot of emergency treatments and a lot of other management treatments. So we have a lot of specialities under one roof. Myself is Dr. Junaid and I am basically community dental health consultant. I have done my bachelor's from University of Lahore, then I did my master's of philosophy from PIMS Islamabad, and moreover I have done my PhD in oral epidemiology and dental education services from Malaysia. So my main expertise and my main concern is to treat the preventive dentistry portions through conservative dentistry managements. Along with that, हमारे पास Dr. Awais Hussain होते हैं. He is basically concerned or consultant of maxillofacial surgery. हमारे पास जितने fracture cases होते हैं या हमारे पास जितने भी हमारे emergency road traffic accident के patients होते हैं, हम उनको treat करते हैं. Other than that, हमारे पास एक जनरल डेंटिस्ट भी है, डॉक्टर सारा मंजूर. शी बेसिकली डील विद द जनरल डेंटल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द पेशेंट्स. मोरओवर हमारे पास एक एक्सटेंडेड यू कैन से एक प्रोग्राम है जिसमें हम प्रोसीजर मैनर में प्रोस्पेक्टिवली हर 2 months के बाद हम वर्कशॉप्स करवा रहे हैं. तो स्टे ट्यून विद अस. ऑन द 10th of August 2025 हमारी एक वर्कशॉप है डॉक्टर पेशेंट रिलेशनशिप के बारे में, हाउ यू कैन बिहेव प्रोफेशनली ऑन द क्लिनिकल सेटिंग, और आप पेशेंट्स को कैसे डील कर सकते हैं. उसके मॉडल्स, उसकी लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशंस ऑन पेशेंट्स हमारे पास अवेलेबल हैं. आई रियली होप दैट यू विल जॉइन अस and hope to see you in the near future as well. Thank you so much.